Crude oil traded in a narrow range yesterday and with modest bearishness. The zone here is 65 to 67 is getting further strong here. It is finding a very good support in this zone. This we have discussed several times in the recent past, and in the near term movements here we have seen 65 to 67 levels offering a very good support here for crude oil. So let's see what to expect today, where to enter, where to exit trading crude oil. And yes, the natural gas has also seen the highs now at 4.55. We have been staying long term bullish in net gas, and see what it has done. It has already seen 4.55, a very good return we have seen in this year 2025. So what to expect now from crude oil and net gas, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch till the now. Notice the movement in crude oil here. See the drop, sideways movement, then the retracement, then a bigger drop, then the retracement. Now, interestingly, what is happening here? It is delivering slightly higher highs or higher lows, and now the higher highs are missing though. However, I can see this as a greater consolidation. Now this suggests that there is a greater support which is coming in for crude oil on the downside. Now if you see it is staying below 65.8, you can take a sell, but then 65.5, 65.4 and 65, these are the two key levels you should watch out for. Only and only if oil trades below 65, we can say now the bears are taking over, and you can look forward to a dip here. If you notice the movement here, what is happening, the support here at 66, 65.8 is getting stronger, while the resistance at around 66.6 and 67 is pretty strong. So now it is very important for oil to trade beyond 67, and once it trades beyond 67, chances will be high that we will look forward to 68.4, 68.5 levels. The moving averages here are bearish, and the stochastic after the retracement looking downwards, the MACD after the crossover trying to trade with modest bullishness, RSI running flat here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, what's happening, the resistance offered by the 20 period is pretty strong, and thus it is very important for net gas or crude oil to trade beyond this 20 period moving average. Once it trades beyond 20 period moving average, possibility will be high that it will aspire towards 50 and 100 period moving average, that is towards 67, 67.3, and then towards 68.4, 68.5 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD after hitting the double bottom, it has crossed over, but this is under retracement. Look at the drop was sharp. The rise is bit gradual. Moving if you see the MACD are still divergent, which is a good sign for the bulls though. RSI is flat here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts also, see after every drop it tries to retrace or consolidates here, and that is what is happening right now. After this bigger drop, it is just trying to trade in this bearish channel. Now see, it is still staying bearish, and it is pretty important for oil to now trade beyond 67, 68.5 levels, which are the only levels which will confirm a reversal. As long as prices stay below this, you have to be cautious with this buys here. Stochastic is rising, while the MACD after the crossover at the bottom, it is trading with divergence, which is a good sign supportive for further rise. RSI comfortable trading flat. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation, trading with divergence is staying bearish, lower highs there, higher lows here. Let it come out of this breakout zone, and this will confirm a direction for crude oil here. Right now I can say what is happening, after a bit of resistance we have seen a dip, it is consolidating. Wait for it to now trade beyond 66.5, 67, and then once it trades beyond these two, we can look forward to a rise all the way towards 67.6, 68 zone. Upward movement getting difficult, but a little trigger can reverse the trend completely. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD after the sharper dip has now crossed over. Only couple of candles away suggests that it can try to retrace a little on the upside. RSI flat. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, the week started on a bearish note. We have seen it delivering sharper bearish moves here. We have seen, in fact, price is moving all the way towards 65. Now these are the levels which we had seen only 6 months back. That was the only time when we had seen oil prices hitting 65. In the last, you can say, 4 to 5 years, I have not seen 65 staying here. And these are the times in 2023 when it has moved towards 68, and then I think this is another time when we have seen 64 levels. So only 2 to 3 times these levels have been seen in the recent past, and thus these levels between 65 to 67 are pretty crucial for crude oil to break beyond. If you look at the price is now, see, four straight bearish candle. Also the prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period. The next is the bearishness getting diminished here, and then the current candle, that is yesterday's candle, should become the reversal sign, because see, it is also outside Bollinger Bands. It may try to now confirm a reversal, that too much of divergence of the price from the moving average and diminishing bearish sign confirms that there could be a bullish move today. And what will confirm the bullishness here? First, a movement beyond 67, then 67.5, 67.6, and then 68. These are the three key levels it needs to take in order to confirm the bullishness. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD is trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards, and the RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, I will recommend you to only buy if you see it is staying now above 66.4 levels. Yes, if you see oil trading beyond 66.4, you can buy, expect 66.7, 67, and then 67.5, 66, 67.6, and then 68. If it trades above 68, certainly you can say that the bulls are back, and you can look forward to a further rise all the way towards 68.5 or 69.3 levels, chances for which appears to be very less. We have seen a strong bearish momentum. I do not expect it to completely reverse in a single day. Now, on the downside, before I provide you the selling levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now on the sell side, I will recommend you to sell at 65.8, expect 65.5, 65.4 first, 65 second. And if it trades below 65, chances will be very high that now the oil is going to break hard in the coming week as well, where we are looking forward to 63.5, 62 and $60 levels. Difficult though, but let's see. Right now the stance is at least not so aggressively bullish. However, it has to reverse very soon, but it is not showing any signs of now as of now. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas on the hourly chart. See, after this greater dip, it is just consolidating here. It is offering, or it is finding a greater support here at around 4.28, 4.25 zone. Very important for net gas to trade now below 4.25. A drop below 4.25 should confirm the next move all the way towards 4.18 and 4.1 levels. Right now I can see it is struggling to trade lower. If you look at the moving averages, these are also now crossing over here. This is not a good sign for the bulls. Notice what has happened. After every rise it retraces. After this rise it is retracing. Also notice it is delivering higher lows and higher highs here. So now if it starts to reverse, possibility will be very high that we may see it again at 3.8. Stochastic is rising. Yes, the MACD has taken a sharper hit. It is trying to converge. A crossover here can mean a little retracement on the upside. The RSI is trading at bottom. On the 2-hour charts, when you look at on the 2-hour charts, you can find out the momentum getting diminished here. The support levels are pretty strong. And this is also the 20-50 period moving average zone, which is going to be a key factor for the day, and then the Bollinger Band. So any move beyond 4.4 is a clear sign of further bullishness, which might take it all the way towards 4.5, 4.6 levels. The stochastic oversold, the MACD is trading with sharp divergence and bearishness looking downwards, RSI running flat. On the 3-hour charts, if you on the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. Now see this straight bearishness, a reversal sign, a little rise. However, not yet, the bulls are not pretty much interested in taking the prices higher. So now if you see it is staying beyond 4.32, you can buy, expect 4.36, 4.4. And once 4.4 is taken, you can definitely expect more rise all the way towards 4.48, 4.5 level. But notice the movement for the recent past. See, despite the stronger rise, it is retracing and consolidating. A break below 4.25 should be a good sign for further bearishness. Stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. More bearishness ahead, it appears. The RSI has dropped as well. On the 4-hour charts, prices have come down to take the support from the 20 period. Right now, we can see a good support coming in at around 20 period moving average. And once it comes out of the zone is where you can see little rise, little retracement, little bullishness. Notice the formation: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. And once it breaks here, possibly more bearishness should prevail. Stochastic oversold here. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, what has happened for last 3 days, you can see lower highs are seen, and for yesterday and day before, we have seen the price is just staying in a range here. Very important for net gas to come out of this range, which suggests that a drop below 4.2524 should be a very good indication today that we will look forward to the next move all the way towards 4.18, 4.2. First target zone 4.1, the next, and below 4.1 is where the bears should take over. Notice the movement here, rise, retracement, rise. It could start with the retracement because see, this is how it has been trading, and it is trading within this wave. It is trading in a bullish channel here. The lows of this channel are around 4 and 3.9 levels. So hitting this zone again, it can try to bounce back. Right now, we have to wait for it to break below the critical support levels. Stock ISTK at top here. The MACD is still divergent. MACD is still running bullish here, though it is almost at top, but it is not right now looking downwards and not suggestive of more bearishness. RSI is also trying to trade bearish. So considering this now, first thing is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy at 4.3233 levels. Expect 4.36, 4.4. And once it trades beyond 4.4, possibility will be very, very high that we may see net gas towards 4.48, 4.5 levels the next, and then 4.6 levels the third. Beyond this, anyways, $5 levels has to be there very, very soon, though appears difficult as things are getting slightly overbought, but not yet completely showing any bearishness. On the downside, I will say I will recommend a selling entry now at 4.28 levels itself. 4.2827 you can sell. Expect 4.2425 first, 4.2 second, and then below 4.2 is where you can look forward to a greater down move all the way towards 4.1211, and then all the way towards 4. uh, if not today, we have to wait for the opening of the next week. If today it closes on the bearish note, and possibly this Monday it may start again with the gap down opening. So take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.